Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to download it on LG Smart TV. Now pay attention, if you want download it in your TV, if you open your LG content store, okay, you cannot find a downloader because we don't have this app in our LG Smart TV. If you want downloader in your TV, you need something like that. What is that? What is that? This is a new launcher or new system in your TV. Is like install Google or Google TV or Play Store in your TV. With this, okay, you can open your Play Store and download downloader. Okay, if you want downloader, you need Play Store. If you want Play Store, you need a new launcher. You can use Fire TV stick or Chromecast, doesn't matter, but you need a new Google TV or launcher in your LG TV. Okay, it's the only way if you want downloader in your TV. Now, sorry for my bad English, and remember you can buy this with second use. Okay, more cheaper. Okay, you do not need a new Chromecast. You can buy a refuses or refurbished Chromecast, doesn't matter. More cheaper is the best option. Okay, have a good day and see you later.